Hello everyone, welcome to IMUSGATE Academy. Here is an update related to the PG admission at IIT Madras. Yes dear students, so here one CMRL means the Chennai Metro Rail Limited sponsored PG diploma course in Metro Rail Technology and Management at IIT Madras. Okay, let's check it out here. So you can see, so CMRL, a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Tamil Nadu. Okay, they are going to, applications are invited from dynamic and result oriented engineering graduates in civil. Okay, let me mark civil, electrical, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics and mechanical for CMRL sponsored PG diploma course in Metro Rail Technology and Management. Okay, the total number of posts available is 18 here. Let's have a look. So here you can see in civil 3 vacancies, okay, in 3 posts, in EC 5, triple E 6, mechanical 4. Total number of posts which are available are 16, my dear students. Okay, when I'm coming to the age limit, not more than 28 years as on the 9th June. Okay, and here education qualification, what is the requirement? First class graduate with a minimum aggregate average of 70% marks is required here. Okay, for general, if you are from SC ST, then 5% relaxation is there. In civil, electrical, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, mechanical engineering. Okay, final year students who will secure the eligible degree before the commencement of the course can also apply. This is also clearly mentioned. If you are in final year, then also you can apply, but in this case you need to secure your degree, okay, before the commencement of the course. Okay, selection process is what? The provisional selection is based on the valid GATE score and the interview. The final selection will be subject to medical fitness. Okay, so valid GATE score is required here and then the interview will be there. Okay, stipend and contract period, it will surely, candidates on final selection will be designated as executive trainees during the course period of 1 year with a stipend of rupees 30,000 per month. So this way, if you will selected, you will get as an designation of executive trainee during the 1 year, okay, during the course period of 1 year with a stipend per month, and CMRL will bear the necessary sponsorship and tuition fees for pursuing this course. Which one? PGDMRTM at Indian Institute of Technology Madras. Okay, now on successful completion of the course, the trainees will be posted as assistant manager on contract for a period of 5 years in Chennai Metro Rail with a consolidated pay of rupees 62,000 per month. Okay, so during the training period also you will get because this training period is of 1 year, so you will get 30,000 rupees per month, and after that you will get 62,000 rupees per month. Okay, now on completion of 5 years of service as assistant manager, the contract may further be extended. It depends on the conditions, okay, based on the project requirements and performance of the candidate also. Okay, so bond is there, you can just check it out. This one 6-year bond is there. Payment of application fee, okay, why? Because 1 year for the training and 5 year for the, means 1 year for the course, PG diploma course, and 5 year for dear students what the training period, means the job period. So that's why here they will have a bond of 6 year. Okay, payment of application fee via NEFT UPI non-refundable, that is clearly mentioned. Candidates are required to pay or transfer through online or electronic mode of non-refundable fees of rupees 500 for general and others, and if you are from SC ST category, then 100 rupees you need to submit here. The details of the fees is mentioned here, just check it out. How to apply through online and other instructions, the instructions are mentioned. You can just go with this website and you can see more and more detail. Step by step the process is mentioned. Please check it out, dear students, how to upload the photograph. Each and every detail here it is mentioned. So you can just check it out. This one also website, as I told you, Chennai Metro Rail.org. You can just go there and you can check it out, the complete detail. Now the important thing is here already this online registration started from 9th June, as today is the 27th, so 29th will be the last date for this one. So 29th June is the last date. Please check it out. If you think you are interested in this one, you should apply, dear students. Thank you.